false. Another problem, now if you notice their foreheads, Prophet ﷺ actually has described it. Bukhari, Muslim both. In Sahih Muslim, he says, in the, again, book of trials and tribulations, he says, Dajjal, he's blinded, okay? He's blind of one eye. Mamsuhul ayn actually says is blind from one eye or blinded. And maktubun bayna aynayhi kafir. Here on his forehead it's written kafir. And thumma tahajjaha kaf fa ra. Yaqra'uhu kullu muslim. Some scholars say it's only kaf fa ra written, which is kafir or kufr, disbelief. It actually is interpreted as that he will bring disbelief to people, lead them to disbelief, lead them to kufr, a state of disbelief.